YouTube, DapperxDan here. Another beautiful day here in Colorado. It's a little bit windy today, but it's only going to affect us when we're right down the street. Oh, we gotta make sure that didn't fly out. That's my little homemade phone holder. Alright, you already know what time it is. It's wheelie time. I brought my phone holder too because I'm going to try and get some external shots. Alright, let's scope it out. Let's see, what does this say? No parking, 7-29. I don't know what. Ah, crap. Well, can't use this area. There we go. But I don't want that crap all over my tires and my bike. There we are. Starting to get better at clutch ups. I want to take this bike to kill the streets this year, so. But by the time this video comes out, that probably already happened. It is a warm one today. Let's see what's back here. Nope, nothing. Crap. Whoa! Golly. That was a high one. There's too many people over here. Well, crap. And of course the cop. Good thing I stopped when I did. Oh my goodness, I was so close to getting busted there. He would have been there 10 seconds earlier. Alright, what's back here? Actually, that might be a good road. Nope. Too much of a hill. Wasn't bad. This is a nice and straight road, but it's in a residential area, which residential means lots of people, and they're gonna call the cops. Well, it would be nice to find another spot, but that, you know, my normal spot had the chip seal going. I don't want that stuff all over my bike. And a cop showed up, so we don't want that either. This is kind of a bust. Let's see what's over here, I guess. Yep, this is just a park. Nothing good over here. crap. There's a straight road over there. Let's see. Let's check that one out. We're next to a school. Oh crap, there goes my cardboard. I gotta go back for that. Alright, we'll try to put it down here maybe. See if we can get a good shot. It is a little windy. Alright, that's recording. Alright, here we go. Yes! That was a good one. Alright. That one was really good. It'd be nice to have that one on video. Alright, we'll do one more and we'll pack it up. Ah, that sucked. Oh, because I was in third. That might be why. Let's get some air in here. I kind of saved it. We'll do one more. We gotta get a good one. Alright, second. Yeah, that one wasn't great. We'll try one more. I know I'm pushing my luck here. I want to get another good one. Man, why did that first one turn out so well? Excuse me, sir, let me borrow your driveway. And second. And here we go, ready? Alright, that one was decent. Let's pack it up. Alright. Stop the recording. Alright, we will review that when we get home. I really want to take this to Kill the Streets because I want to do wheelies and stuff there, but I'm just afraid with that many bikes and it's going to be August, I'm afraid that this will overheat. A buddy of mine, he was riding around the streets on his bike and he's doing like highway speeds. His is a dual sport though, and his overheated pretty bad and it seized up the motor. He had to get that whole thing rebuilt, and that's what I'm afraid of. I don't want that to happen to me. So we'll see if we can find a fan kit for this or something. I've been looking, I still can't find one. A friend of mine said you just gotta buy one and modify it, so That's what we might have to do. But I'm running out of time. Kill the Streets is coming up fast. And yeah, so that's what I'm afraid of, is taking this to Kill the Streets. I just don't want to overheat and have to rebuild the engine, because that can be expensive. Videos still aren't earning any money, so if it did overheat, wouldn't have any backup income to pay for it. My allergies are killing me today. But yeah, we'll see if we can get everything. I'm gonna be able to do third gear at least, because we'll be going highway speeds. Anyway guys, that's all I got for right now. Thanks for joining me on this short wheelie practice. And by the time this video goes up, Kill the Streets might have already happened, so who knows? We'll see. I have a lot of videos that gotta come out before this. But Kill the Streets will come out the next day. It usually happens on a Sunday. It'll come out the next day. If you guys like today's video, go ahead and hit that thumbs up button. And let me comment, let me know what you think. If you haven't already, hit the subscribe button. Thanks for watching and have a good day.
We'll be right back.